everyone. Today I want to show you how to integrating AI into networking with AWS is using free tier. First step, setting up AWS free tier account if you haven't. So next step, creating a simple VPC with an EC2 instance. Go to your AWS management console, type in search bar VPC, click create VPC. Create VPC, name tag, for example, test AI, sidewalk 10.0.0.0/16, and all left by default, and click create. I will not create, that's why I have created before here. And the second step, launch an EC2 instance. Open EC2 dashboard, type EC2 on search bar, click EC2, and click create launch an instance. Type name, for example, my EC2. Select Amazon Linux free tier, tier to micro, also free tier. Here you can choose existing your key pair or create new one. I select my existing. Networking configuration, set up your routing tables and assign subnets. Here select your VPC, select your subnet, auto assign public IP address, select enable it, create security groups, and here add security group rule, select all ICMP IPv4 for testing purpose, source type from anywhere. You can type here custom IP address or select my IP if you want, and you can add another rules if you need it. For example, HTTP from anywhere, and click launch instance. I will not launch it, that's why I created before. Okay. Last step for configuring VPC, you should go to VPC dashboard, select internet gateways, click create internet gateway, give name. After giving name, click create internet gateway. After creating, associate it with your VPC. I did it here, my internet gateway. Next step, using Amazon recognition for image analysis. We will use Amazon recognition to demonstrate how AI can analyze image all within the free tier. Open Amazon recognition from AI services, recognition, type here, sorry, select here, recognition, click, Click try recognition and upload an image. For this demo, I will upload a sample image related to network infrastructure. Try demo. As you see, yeah. Upload image from Cisco. For example, open. Now analyze the image. Recognition will automatically detect object in the image. You can see labels like router, switch, or cables right hand here. Next step, using Amazon Comprehend to analyze the network logs. Next, we'll use Amazon Comprehend to analyze network logs. It's great for extracting key information from text. Open Amazon Comprehend. Type here, search bar, click. As you see here, launch an Amazon, run, paste a simple log file or some network related text. You can paste here. You can paste your analyze or custom. You can use input data in real time or copy paste your logs here for analyze. I will paste and click analyze. As you see, yeah, analyzing. You can analyze from here sentiment, key phrases, language, and another syntax, and so on. This helps us identify key points in logs like errors or security issues. Next step, automating tasks with AWS Lambda. Let's create an automated task using AWS Lambda. Open the Lambda console and create function. Go to Lambda. Create function. Choose author from stretch by default here, and use simple Python runtime. Python. Set up the function to trigger based on network events such as an alarm from CloudWatch. We'll simulate this without deploying it to avoid costs. Next step, monitoring with CloudWatch. CloudWatch. Sorry, Finally, I will use CloudWatch to monitor our VPC and EC2 instance. Open the CloudWatch dashboard and click Alarms here. Create a basic alarm to monitor CPU usage or network traffic. We will set it to notify us via SNS if any threshold are crossed. Set alarm, create alarm here. metrics. Load balancer, set instance, select. Yes. Weave metrics monitor the logs for traffic and performance data in real time. This will help you track your network's health without existing the free tier. You'll create from here. Next, for example, 5,000. Next, in alarm, select SNS and send notification to your before you should create an SNS topic. You can mark there your phone number or email for getting notification, and click next and add here SNS topic. I have no any SNS topic, and finally create this. This will help you track your network's health without existing free tier. Okay, finally, in this lab, we demonstrated how to integrate AI with networking using Amazon Rekognition, Comprehend, Lambda, and CloudWatch by using free tier. We have kept cost minimum while showcasing powerful AI capabilities for network monitoring and automation.